Okay, good day everyone. Today we'll be learning about parabola. Okay, parabola is just a U-shaped, is one of the conic sections that we have. I'll just draw a picture of it. This is a parabola, a U-shaped curve. So we have parabola on the x-axis and we have parabola on the y-axis. I hope you can see. So parabola on the x-axis, I'll just give you features of a parabola before we continue. So parabola on the x-axis is y square equals to 4ax. While parabola on the y-axis is x square equals to 4ay. Now, this is when the vertex is at 0. Now, what does this a mean? That's what you might ask. So a is the focus distance. For the both of them, A is the focus distance. A is the focus distance. A is the focus distance for the both of them. So now, but mostly you see questions from the x-axis more than the y-axis. But I'm going to be explaining the two of them. So now, my question will be like, how can I solve equation of a parabola when points are given, when centers or vertex are given? So this is what we do when the vertex x1 comma y1. So now the equation will now turn to y minus y1 all square equals to 4a into x minus x1. So you understand? So now same here, x minus x1 all square equals to 4a into y minus y1. So what else do you need to know? What you need to know is how to find the focus, how to find the focus distance, and how to find the directrix. So I mentioned focus, I mentioned directrix. Now the way you find it on the x-axis will be different from the way you find it from the y-axis. So I'm going to explain for the x-axis in this video, then we'll solve more of the x-axis. The next video we'll talk about, okay, we can do the two of them. Let's see how fast we can do. So the focus will just be at when I'm talking about focus when vertex is 0, 0. Focus will be a, 0. That is the focus distance, 0. Then the directrix will be x is equals to minus a. This is for when the vertex is 0. Now let us do when the vertex is x1 comma y1. You have focus of f open bracket x1 plus a comma 0. You're seeing it. The directrix x is equals to x1 minus a. Are you seeing? These are the formulas you need to know. Let's go over here. The focus when vertex is 0, 0, you will have focus f into 0, a, directrix still minus a. This now will be y is equals to minus a. So when vertex is x1 y1, you have focus f into x1 y1 plus a, then directrix y is equals to y1 minus a. Okay, so these are the major things you need to know. So we'll solve more problems in the next video.